Okay, this is the first time that I'm using this, so let me see how this goes. Okay, still recording. Cool. I don't really know how all of this works, but we'll figure it out. So, this is my feed. About 3 times during this whole Corona thing, I have been on the Discover page 3 times. It happened kind of back to back, like a week within each other. But last night, this picture got on Discover, and it's kind of funny to me because the hair was glitching with my eyelash on the left side, and I was just trying to cover it up, and I took that one picture. And this is how it went. I had around 400 likes on it last night, and the amount of comments I can't really remember, but I woke up and saw that it had 1.3k on it for likes. But as you can see, the main thing with whenever anyone gets on Discover, you're gonna have your notifications covered with follow for follow, like for like, blah blah blah. The random I love yous from people, which I never really understood that part, but that's what happens. There's like a couple of people that were like, this is beautiful, or I love this so much, but most of it is like, follow for follow, blah blah blah. And I had to put my messages on friends only. And if I don't do that, I'm gonna have a lot of messages. So that's what I had to do. But I usually document whenever this happens, so I figured I would show you guys. This is the look that got on Discover. And someone asked me before, how do you know if you get on Discover or not? And I'll show you. I don't know why my voice sounds all strained. Sorry. So before all this happened, my last time I was on 11,000 something followers. I've been up to 12k before, but it got down usually a little while after people start to find you. They kind of like, whatever, let's go on to the next thing, and then they unfollow. So I'm on 12k for like the second or third time, and I expect it to go back down. It is what it is. But for the moment, I have 12,000. Whatever. Numbers aren't all that important to me. Pretty much the way I gained them in the first place was because of the Discover page anyway. So, can I even do this on the app? Yeah, I think so. Okay. So when you go on this page, you go to Discover. I'm using the app right now. And you can see the feed. These are the looks within the past 14 hours and so on. It's really all kinds of things. People intentionally like do tags and do certain looks to like fit the certain look that's going on. For me, I don't really check this, so I didn't really know what was going on. I just did what I was doing, and this was 17 hours ago. So that's how you know if you get on the Discover page or not. Getting all tongue-tied. I did a couple of videos before, just kind of going over like things I noticed about it and stuff like that. You can always look at those if you want. But other than that, I have no avatar light on this avatar. I never really do. I like having the ambient rooms and having different lightings in the rooms and not on the avatar I have on, but that's the look I was going for. And I did a darker one, which is this one. So I did longer hair, but the same theme, the same stuff, but all black. And I usually try to promote my shop like once or twice during the time I have the attention from people. Like I think it's just kind of like a smart move if you want to push your stuff a little bit. No harm in that, no shame in that. But I didn't do it this time, but I might do a little post on a picture and just be like, check out my shop if you want. Because low-key, my shop has kind of been dying, but it's okay. Because that's just kind of how it is. It fluctuates at times, but I really like this version of the look too. I did a purple skin, this one. This one's by Awkward, and this blue one is by Awkward too, but after I did these pictures, I felt like, that looks a little more like lifeless. It doesn't look as bold and pretty as I was going for. So the picture that got on display here is the purple dull looking skin. Like, it just looks like it's good for my alternative looks if I want to look like grungy, but for an angel, what I was going for, I probably wouldn't pick it again. But the blue, I really like the way the blue looks. A little more tan, but you got the blue eyeshadow. I think it looks really pretty. So, my messages are on friends only right now, but I'm probably going to put them back to everybody if I feel like it's not overwhelming. Because that's what people want, man. They just want to get anything you have in that moment. And that's the main downfall that I don't like about the Discover page. People just want to use you for things and ask you for gifts and shout outs and blah blah blah. But I was low-key kind of happy this time that I got it, because it's like, oh, okay. It means that people they don't understand. They know. What I mean to say is that they noticed at least the outfit choice I had. Even though the comments, it doesn't really look that way, but it's okay. I was just happy that it was on, like, display for once. Usually I'm like, I don't know. But this time I was kind of happy. I wanted to see if anything I would post would be noticed, but look. The one I did the other day, I thought for sure would have been on Discover because of how, like, badass I made it look. This one. But it's okay. I guess people like the angel and cutesy stuff more than my little moon dragon mermaid thing here that I had going on. But if anyone wants to, like, shop together, feel free to invite me, because I have nothing else to do. And I wouldn't mind, like, just, like, making things with people and see what we could come up with. And I can't say I would pay for your stuff or anything. I could help you a little bit if I choose to, but you know what I mean. It's like, if you ask me to do it, I'm probably not going to want to, but if I wanted to help somebody, I would help with my own decision, you know what I mean? So, there's just some of my feed. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna figure out how to stop this, and I'll probably do some unboxing videos next. See you later. Sorry if I sound weird. Bye.